I know y'all got mad at me for slamming on the counter, so. Wife wanted green beans and sausage tonight, so we're gonna make some green bean sausage and potato wedges on the griddle. These are the cheddar kind, by the way. Make sure you get them. All right, let's roll out. Get on this stuff as well. See you out there. We're gonna have to make haste and not waste. It's gonna be dark at 2 shakes of a rooster's tail. Go ahead and prep our surface with a little bit of that bacon up. Lord, I don't want to be grilling in the dark. Pain ran out. I guess that's what I get for not buying Blue Rhino the first time. Kobe. That's more like Shaq. Kobe. That right there is called the hot spot. Onion on onion. It's like an onionception. Yeah. I like it. Tastes like Barks. If you like this kind of stuff, just go ahead and hit follow because I'm going to be doing it all the time. Yeah. Man, it got dark quick. I'll take that in, but these need a couple extra minutes. Just a little more crispy. Hey, if you're not going to follow, let's give me a round of applause in the comment section for not catching the house on fire. I've seen this in a movie once. It don't look like much, but it's honest work. 1 potato, 2 potato with a hot pad. Dinner's ready. Yeah. That right there, that's dinner.